Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a returning classic in the cruiser world, the 2026 Honda Shadow ACE. Known for its smooth ride, vintage styling, and Honda's trusted reliability, the Shadow ACE has always appealed to riders who love relaxed cruising with a touch of nostalgia. The 2026 model revives that spirit with modern updates and refined performance. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this Shadow is worth your attention. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Honda Shadow ACE blends retro charm with subtle modern touches. Chrome accents, wide fenders, and a classic teardrop tank bring back that old-school cruiser feel, while new LED lighting, sleeker handlebars, and updated color schemes add a fresh edge. Honda offers several two-tone paint options to appeal to traditionalists and new riders alike. It's a bike that turns heads without trying too hard. Performance and powertrain. Powering the Shadow ACE is a smooth 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering low-end torque and an easygoing ride perfect for city cruising or weekend escapes. It's paired with a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive for low maintenance and seamless power delivery. Honda has tweaked the suspension and gearing for a more refined feel and better highway performance while maintaining that signature cruiser rumble. Safety and technology. While the Shadow ACE remains a classic at heart, Honda hasn't ignored modern expectations. The 2026 model features a new digital analog combo display for essential ride data, standard ABS for confident braking, and LED lighting for improved visibility. While it keeps tech minimal to preserve its vintage charm, key features like a USB charging port and gear position indicator bring useful updates for daily riders. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Shadow ACE proves that a great cruiser doesn't need to reinvent the wheel. With timeless style, reliable performance, and just the right amount of modern refinement, it's a welcome return to form for one of Honda's most beloved names. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, first looks, and everything that keeps your wheels turning.